Hi, Paolo.
Yes.
Yes, ano ngayon, no? Third night ng wake niya, technically. So, Paolo, can you take me back sa first time mo ma-meet si Manay? Kasi I heard from many people na, di ba, they find her intimidating based on what they heard of her. But then when they met her, sweet pala siya. Yes.
No, Nanay Lola is very intimidating. but once you get to know her, you'll really you're gonna love her. Ganun lang naman yan eh. Si Nay Lolit is literal yan, nanay. Nanay to her friends, to her alagas. And that's something na talagang chine-cherish namin lahat na alaga.
Kailan mo siya huling nakakommunicate?
After her birthday, because her last birthday hindi ako nakapunta because I was in Vietnam for a shooting. So we were talking about having lunch or dinner after ng pagbalik ko. No? Actually, hindi na nga namin siya natuloy. We were hoping nga mga next week dapat yun. So, yun. And hindi na kami nakapagkita after that.
Ano yung fondest memory mo of her?
Dami. Masarap kasama si Nanay Lolit sa mga out of the country dati na yung mga shows namin. Talagang ano lang, nanay. Talagang nanay siya. Kapag may problema ka, tutulong yan kahit galit yan sa'yo. Kapag may kasalanan ka, papagalitan ka yan, pero at the end of the day, she will still help you and protect you. So, it's just, it's always fun when we're with Nanay Lolit.
May, ano yung napapansin mo sa kanya pag galit siya? Like, ano yung, talaga makikita mo, hindi siya yung,
Paggalita ka talaga, dire-diretso yun. Pero after that, ilang beses kami yung talagang mag-ina, hindi nag-usap ng ilang buwan. May ganun talaga. It's not a talent manager relationship. It's talagang mag-ina. You know, you have to call and say sorry, you have to, ganun siya. It was a very personal relationship.
Ano yung best lesson na naturo sa'yo ni Manay?
Alam mo, isa siya sa mga nagsabi sa akin, lagi ako dapat makisama sa lahat. Kasi, you know, pag tinignan mo si Nanay Lolit, she may be feeling mo very unprofessional, di ba, pagdating sa ibang mga bagay. But you can just imagine how the people in the industry love her so much. And that's because may personal touch talaga si Nanay Lolit. She's very nice to everyone. She can say some mean things, pero lahat yan galing sa place of love. So, ganun. So, yun yung natutunan namin. Lahat ng tao dapat pinakikisama. That's it.
So, last question na lang. May message ka ba sa kanya na hindi mo nasabi? Wala. Everything is...
everything. That's one thing about our relationship with Nanay Lolit. She will always tell you what she wants, and ang gusto niya, frank ka rin sa kanya. Never naman kaming nag-usap na hindi nagtatapos I love you, so we're very happy about it.
Thank you, Paolo.
Thank you.